Guys, today we're doing a room tour of a new room at the Surfside Inn and Endless Summer Resort, Universal Orlando. This is one of their new resorts in their value category. This is a basic room. You can come in. Everything is themed summer here. So you can see we got touches of blue and surfing artwork everywhere. You'll see that throughout the resort you're going to see the same type of theming. We have two, I believe, queen size beds these are. Have a nice sized television. More themed artwork. You can see here there's an adjoining door. So these rooms you can request connecting with them. And we have this desk dresser area here. This is a really good use of space. We have drawers for storage. I'm going to come down here and open that up. And they're actually nice and deep, so they'll fit a good amount of stuff. Next to it, your refrigerator. One note, there is no coffee service in these rooms. So keep that in mind if you're a coffee drinker. There is a Starbucks down in the lobby. However, it was not open when we arrived, so I don't know if it's temporarily closed. This is a nice desk area here. Comfy chair in the corner. I love how high the ceilings are in here, and the draperies go all the way up to the top of the ceiling. Almost feels like you're in the ocean in here. We have a non-spectacular view out at the parking lot, but we can see Volcano Bay from our room. The beds feel pretty comfortable. Something that I appreciate, which I find missing in a lot of hotel rooms now, is actually an alarm clock. I know everybody uses their phone, but it's nice to have a clock to glance at in the room. And then for more storage over here, you are going to find a closet that's covered with drapes. So it's not open front, but it doesn't have doors on it. And in here you are going to find ironing board, iron, your in-room safe, luggage rack, and of course, as always, your extra bedding. There's a nice mirror with hooks when you walk in next to the front door also. Then we're going to have our washroom. So the washroom is in a separate room. We have the toilet and the stand-up shower here. And this room does have a door. So people can shower while other people are getting ready near the sink area. Out here you have your hair dryer. And you're going to find your towels and stuff here. It's a very basic room. It's really reasonably priced. And I think you'll find yourself quite comfortable here if you want a good value for your stay when you're visiting Universal Studios or the Orlando area in general. Hope you enjoy your next vacation.